Hello everyone. So in my previous video, we talk about introduction to GUI, Tkinter, then how to write Hello World simple program, then geometry manager, that is pack, place, and grid. And obviously in grid we covered about entry and button. So here also separately I have created this video only to focus on entry, that is text box, and button, that is normal simple button only. So obviously now I think you know many lines, like we are importing everything from Tkinter. This is our main window name. This is inbuilt TK function inside the Tkinter. Then geometry, that is the size of that window, will be 450 by 300. Now we are creating two labels, and the name of that two labels will be user and password under our main window root, and the text which we want on label username and password. Now compared to previous programs, it was like we were writing separately user dot place, user dot pack, user dot grid. But if you want to write everything in one line, then you can write also. So you all can see dot and place, and I want this at x equal to 40 and y equal to 60. Same way password, everything is same, and place x equal to 40 and y equal to 100. And I want button, that is x equal to 40 and y equal to what? 130. And I want two text box, or you can say that entry, that is from x 110 and y equal to 60, and for second text box x equal to 110, y equal to 100. See, if it is entry, then only it is considered as a text box, and it is inside the main window with some width 30 or something. You can specify height also if you want to specify. And you want to know about root.mainloop function, then only your program is going to work. So let's check the output of this. See, it's very simple. We are getting username label and text box, and if you will type anything, see this button is also there. Okay, but we have not given any command to that button, that what exactly it has to do if we click. But right now we have just created. Okay, so this is very simple. Like you can use label, button, entry, and likewise so many things. Okay, so the purpose of this video is to make you understand about entry and button. That is one thing. And second thing is you can write dot place or dot pack in one line, okay, instead of two lines. Thank you everyone.